Alright, I'm going to do a review of this Lacrum key fob accessory that we just got in the mail. It's like 10-12 bucks on Amazon. We just bought a new Ford Maverick 4x4 and it is freezing outside. So I've got to video this inside. I'm going to open it up and then we'll go from there. Alright, here it is. And this is the key to the truck. Oh yeah, that didn't work. You gotta be kidding me. Lord. Bougie. Now this key somehow pops out of here. That's the manual key. If you just need to unlock the door and this thing doesn't work, I guess. So guessing it just slides on there like that. That was easy. Good Lord. That's worse than a cell phone cover. There we go. Oh, this is going to be a pain in the butt too. There we go. And this clip's supposed to go through here?
Yeah, but it says there's like a little D clip that helps to...
Oh, this, oh, I got it.
And there's like a little screwdriver to get it.
So I gotta get a screwdriver for that. I'll be right back. Here we go. I got some little screwdrivers. Take this in the house. Go back to work on this. Little screw right there. Oh, this one. That's my guess, is it goes like that. This lined up. Well, if this video helped you out, hit the like and subscribe button. Here we go. Oh, look at that. There's a screwdriver inside the bag. Yep, that's what happens. No way. No way.
I'll be back.